You know what's better than staring at stock charts all day? This. I used to stress about the market. Now, I just use StockVision. It does the heavy lifting so I can focus on, well, the important stuff. There's some really useful and interesting stuff in there. Go check it out. The link is right down there. Cheers to smarter stock analysis.
StockVision AI Pro, product showcase and walkthrough script. Prepared for the video production team. This is a comprehensive walkthrough of StockVision AI Pro. We're targeting a deep dive into the features and capabilities of the platform. Welcome to the comprehensive walkthrough of StockVision AI Pro, the next-generation financial intelligence platform. In a world of overwhelming data, we unify clarity, speed, and AI. Our mission is simple: to democratize institutional-grade analytics. Whether you are tracking U.S. tech giants or global commodities, StockVision provides the edge you need. Before we dive into the interface, let's understand the engine under the hood. StockVision is a high-performance web application built on Flask and Python, designed for scalability. We utilize a hybrid architecture. The backend manages secure connections to premium data providers, ensuring latency as low as 200 milliseconds, critical for real-time analysis. Accessibility is a core tenet. We offer two distinct modes of entry: anonymous guest access for testing the waters, and pro authentication for serious researchers.
For new users who want to test the waters, our guest mode allows immediate, frictionless entry without a credit card. It's about trust before a deep dive. Our authentication system handles session management securely, ensuring your analysis environment is ready whenever you are.
Welcome to StockVision AI Pro, the command center for modern market intelligence. Getting started is simple. Create your account to unlock powerful, AI-driven insights designed for traders, analysts, and fintech builders. This is the StockVision Command Center. Clean, dark-themed, and undistracted. At the top, a scrolling ribbon of real-time market pulses. Below, market tabs for instant context switching. Each card represents a live asset with color-coded badges to instantly communicate market movements. Our reach is global. From US stocks to international markets like Hong Kong, StockVision provides a seamless, unified interface for tracking assets worldwide. Markets don't sleep, and neither does StockVision. Track key international indices to spot macro correlations instantly. Experience the future of financial analysis.
Welcome to StockVision AI Pro's Commodities Dashboard, your window into the raw materials economy. Discover AI-powered market intelligence for metals like aluminum, copper, and gold. Track real-time futures prices, analytics, and pro features for mining insights. Dive into energy markets with real-time data on crude oil, Chevron, and more. From futures to global indices, get critical info for this vital sector. Navigate global commodities like gold, silver, oil, and natural gas, drivers of the economy. Get early inflation warnings and cross-asset analysis to stay ahead of trends. Try StockVision AI Pro today for commodities trading and investment. Discover intelligent search in Stock AI Pro, natural language for Apple or voice control. Semantic engine handles ambiguity in stock or sector queries. Multiple matches like US or Greece ETFs, error-free Afro or autos analyses with fuzzy logic. Advanced system prevents costly mistakes in fast-moving markets by clarifying intent. Dive deep. Click Apple to launch Deep Analysis Modal Overlay without new pages for inspection. No redirects break flow. Overlay data and high-performance modal for navigation. Center stage is the interactive price chart. Built on the powerful Plotly.js engine, this is fully responsive. You can zoom, pan, and hover to see precise open, high, low, close data points. The chart supports multiple time frames, from one-day intraday moves to 5-year historical trends. Visualizing the price history is the first step in any technical analysis. Is the trend your friend? Is the stock consolidating? The answers are visible instantly. Now, we approach the core differentiator of StockVision, the AI engine. We don't just display data, we compute the future. Our backend utilizes a random forest regressor, a sophisticated machine learning algorithm. It consumes historical data, price, volume, volatility, and trains a model specific to that exact stock on the fly. This isn't a generic market sentiment. It is a tailored statistical model that understands Apple's unique volatility profile versus, say, a volatile crypto asset.
Behold the output, the AI model projection. Here, the model has analyzed the data and issued a structure ascending analysis. Look closely at the metrics. We provide a signal strength of 92%. This tells you how strongly the statistical patterns align with the projected outcome. The probable upside indicates the statistical probability of a positive return. We visualize the projection range to help in risk management. Knowing your downside is just as important. Numbers are powerful, but humans think in narratives. This is where our generative analyst comes in. Below the hard numbers, StockVision generates a human-readable analyst insight. This paragraph synthesizes the technical indicators into a coherent story. It explains why the AI is ascending. Is it momentum? Is it a breakout? This qualitative layer bridges the gap between raw data and human research outcomes. For the technical purist, we provide the raw engine outputs. The technical analysis section breaks down the key signals. We track moving averages to confirm trend direction. We monitor oscillators like RSI to detect overbought or oversold conditions. Transparency is key. We show you the math. Technical analysis tells when it is ascending, and fundamental analysis tells you what to focus on. StockVision integrates key financial ratios seamlessly. We display PE ratio, market cap, dividend yield, and beta. This ensures you aren't just looking at a chart pattern, but a solid company with real value.
Traders track dozens of stocks. The StockVision watch list are your personalized tracked symbols. Accessible via the star icon in the header, this view consolidates your favorite assets. It provides a quick glance summary of price, change, and our AL recommendation for your specific picks. This list interacts directly with our database. The watch list persists across sessions. Log out, come back tomorrow, and your list is waiting for you. A key feature of our UX is bidirectional synchronization. Notice the star icon on the individual stock cards. If you click the star on the Apple card, it instantly adds Apple to your watch list. Conversely, if you remove Apple from your watch list manager, the star on the dashboard deselects. This seamless logic ensures your state is always consistent, no matter where you interact with the asset.
Welcome to StockVision AI, featuring our powerful community loop for customer feedback. User input is valued to continuously improve platform, ensuring your voice shapes development. Easily write comments, report bugs, or ask for help in the application. Our visual feedback funnel drives suggestions to dev team, confirming voice heard weekly. If you see no recent activity, it's perfect time to share suggestions and contribute to growth. Experience full mobile responsiveness, seamless access to powerful analysis on any device. Tablet view overlays make touch interactions intuitive, same powerful experience as desktop. Whether on the go or at desk, StockVision AI delivers consistent high-performance market analysis. Experience autonomous market analysis with StockVision AI, designed for success.
We are just getting started. Our roadmap includes expanded support for cryptocurrency assets, Reddit and Twitter data chains, and social sentiment tracking from platforms like Build Your Beautiful AI with StockVision AI Pro Dashboard, Intelligent, and in conclusion, StockVision AI Pro is a powerful predictive tool and user experience designed to empower you as a financial researcher. Learn about our disclosures. Thank you for exploring StockVision with us. The future of analysis is autonomous, and it is here today.